Good evening, everyone. My name is Shweta, and I'm the Operations Manager for Kekstar Netherlands. I'd firstly like to start off by saying a big thank you to Doreen, Wendy, the entire team at Craft and MOS Studios for creating this amazing platform and for giving me this opportunity to talk to all of you. I would also like to thank all of you who've tuned in after a long day at work. I really appreciate it. As we know, the Dutch beer industry is growing rapidly. There were 165 active breweries in 2012, which has now grown to a massive 845 in 2021. This has shown a 400% growth, including smaller segments like IPAs and non-alcoholic beers have also been growing rapidly. The Dutch beer industry makes 2.4 billion liters of beer every year under normal circumstances, and I know I enjoy a lot of these. I come from India, where the beer scene is still in its new phases of development, and you don't get access to freshly brewed beer as commonly as you would in the Netherlands. And that's why just under 15% is imported in the Netherlands, as over 50% of the population prefer drinking Dutch beer. And why shouldn't they? It's awesome. I've lived in the Netherlands for 3 years and I've loved exploring the Dutch beer scene. For the last 1 year that I've worked in Kekstar, I've gotten to meet the makers of these beers, and it's been a dream come true. The Netherlands exports over 50% of its beer. What does this mean? Our operational setup in the UK, US, New Zealand, and Australia allows for us to help you with these exports. We've also rapidly started growing in Europe, and now we can enable Euroflows for several of our customers, and we have been doing that for a lot of our customers and sending their beers to Belgium, France, Spain, Italy, Denmark, and many more to come. So if this is something that interests you, please get in touch with us. The Netherlands beer scene also sees a lot of contract brewing. For around 411 customers, we have 16 major contract brewers, which averages to about 25 per contract brewer. This enables the contract brewers to act as a mini Kekstar hub for their brewery customers, and enabling them to eliminate delivery costs, as they would be able to keep stock for their brewery customers who are interested in using Kekstar. We also see the rise of brewpub culture. Kekstar pricing is based on days taken to fill and scan the kegs to the next destination they're headed. For brewpubs, this means you can scan within 1 day and directly send it to your brewpub. This results in significant cost control for the brewpub atmosphere. Kekstar's mission is to help get more great beer to more happy drinkers. Despite the difficult year and the hardships we've all had, my love for this industry has constantly been growing. We've seen the industry innovate in ways like never before. When we couldn't get beers to consumers in bars, you all found a way to get them to their homes. There have been new forms of motivation and inspiration that have even kept me going on days that I couldn't find any. How we intend to achieve our mission is by providing kegs that are of the best quality, made by industry-leading suppliers. Our keg cleaning plant is a 15-step elaborate industry standard plant, which has all of its QA documented so that you can see the entire life cycle of the cleaning of your kegs and demand it from us whenever you want to look at it. Kekstar model also has an extreme ease of use, which means that you can order kegs just in time. We work with a 5-day lead time so that you can order your kegs exactly when you need them for filling. You would treat the kegs the same way you would a one-way keg and allow for us to take care of everything else. Because of the size of the Netherlands, the 5-day lead time is usually much shorter, and you can order your kegs just when you need them. Our kegs are smart kegs, which means each keg has an RFID tag and a unique identity, which is easily tracked through your supply chain. You can upload your product and batch IDs to our online portal named MyStar. As soon as you're a customer of Kekstar, you have full access to where your kegs are, how long you've used them, the keg cycles, and the costs, so you can stay on top of all of the information at your fingertips. Our biggest mission is to support events as well. We all love beer, and our entire team has worked in beer for way too many years. Within the Dutch beer industry, there are so many events, and we're always spoiled for choice. Everyone I met at these events has given me so much insight, recommended books, tips and tricks, and even helped me with a lot of Dutch translation for the technical terms that we use for Kegstar kegs. I felt welcome from the very beginning. We have tried our best to be a part of as many in person events whenever it was allowed, and also virtual events to make sure that we could participate and support the industry in whichever way that was allowed. For events, we also like to provide free kegs. So, whenever there is an event next and that's something that you're interested in, please get in touch with us so we can tell you how you can avail that offer. At physical events, we of course like to set up a ping pong table. That's the signature Kegstar branding. We bring a ping pong table and a few kegs of beer to make sure that not just the consumers, but even the brewers can take a small break and spend some time away from standing on your feet all day and just enjoying some beers along with us. How the Kegstar model essentially works is once you are signed up with us, you can use the portal MyStar that will have your own login information, and you can order your kegs through this portal. Another way to do it would be to get in touch with us, and we will still work with a 5-day lead time. Once the kegs have arrived at your destination, you just need to fill them and scan them out to the next destination they're headed to, and you would deal with the distribution just how you normally would. At the end points, when the bars have the kegs emptied, they can scan the kegs for collection, and we will again work with a 5-day lead time to get those empties collected. It's been a fabulous journey through the Kegstar Netherlands chapter that I have been so blessed to experience. As you can see on the top left, that was day one for Kegstar Netherlands, as well as my day one in the beer industry. The entire team from the UK was here, as Netherlands was our first European expansion, and they can't wait to be back again. Ever since then, we've been a part of as many events as we could. We've also partnered up with Beer Geeks, and we'd actually made an agreement with them to provide kegs for their fundraising event, as well as for all the brews beer to raise money for the ALS Foundation. Of course, because of the pandemic, we couldn't do this, and that's why we donated to the ALS Foundation and bought several boxes to be sent to all of our trusted suppliers as their Christmas gifts. As you can see, they look extremely happy with it. I also got the opportunity to work with Pink Boots Society and be a member in the organization. We spent an amazing brew day at Kaapse Brouwers with these amazing ladies. I got to learn a lot, and we made the Aletta Pale Ale, which is available at Kaapse Brouwers web shop, as well as in Kegstar kegs available at bars near you. I'm sorry if I've missed some information. There's a lot to share, and I prefer to do this one-on-one over a glass of beer. We try to partner up with organizations that are doing a lot of good within the industry. As you can see in the pictures, we've tried to partner up with organizations that do green activities. For our empty keg collections from bars, in the UK, we partnered up with Pedal Me last year, and this initiative has gone very well because of the congested streets in London, where sending larger vehicles, of course, creates a lot of issues. So the bikes can be much faster and, of course, more effective and efficient. We're trying to recreate the same with our third-party partner here in the Netherlands called Groen Collect. We're extremely proud of this partnership because they don't just service all of our collections in their electric vehicles that are small and can access the major city streets without any problems, but also because they collect spent grain from a lot of breweries in the Netherlands and coffee grounds and stale bread from bars to turn it all into biofuel. They are currently working on a small prototype of how we could enable the bicycle collections here as well, and that is something we're really looking forward to. We also promote scanning by bars once their kegs are emptied. And to promote this, we will donate throughout the year to Beer Geeks Beat ALS for each scan that a bar does per keg. we will make a small donation which will amount to the yearly contribution that we want to do with Beer Geeks Beat ALS. These are all the partners that we got to work with, and it's been an absolute pleasure. There are a lot of industry bodies where we could attend the events in person, and sometimes when we couldn't, we were there in a virtual capacity. The end mission is, of course, to support the industry in whichever way possible, whether it be Dutch Beer Challenge or the Pink Booth Society, and of course with Craft. We really hope to be able to set up a stand at the event next year so that we can all be together in person. And I would love to relive my day one with all of you again. You would treat Kegstar just as you would a one-way keg, with the exception being you can reuse them. You can just leave the reuse aspect to us. We will take on the pain of your keg fleet management. You just have to fill, scan, and deliver the kegs as you normally would. The reverse logistics is entirely taken care of by us and our partners, as well as the cleaning. So all you need to do is order exactly when you need your kegs, and we'll take it from there. We have set up as small as half pallet quantities and as large as 100,000 kegs that we deliver for some of our largest brewery customers. One of our customers in the UK has also set up a special plant for Kegstar filling. Just because of the journey we've had with them, we've grown with them. And this example is just to show you that we want to grow with you. Otherwise, what's even the point? Our kegs are deposit free, which means that you can just forget any type of admin hassle and tying up your money within your kegs. You can just focus on what you love most, which is getting great beer to more happy drinkers. So you can use your resources to make more beer. For our partnerships, we like to promote long-term and sustainable partnerships. And for this, we compensate our customers and partners for their long-term support and any activities they do for us, such as collections, scanning, and storage. In order to be able to achieve this, we offer an incentive to wholesalers and distributors. When they deliver full kegs from their brewery customers to bars, all they need to do is pick up the empties when they're ready for collection and let us know that they have the empties with them. For each keg collected, we will give them a compensation, which enables turning regular empty keg collections into a new revenue stream for the wholesalers. We also do this in order to create a safety network for our kegs, along with the partners that we sign up with in the industry. We have a lot of wholesalers that are working with us at this time to enable all of the keg collections and to make sure that you can get absolute ease of just using kegs. And once the kegs have left your facility, nobody's paying anything in the supply chain. We take care of everything thereafter. My contact information is on the screen. If you have any information that you need or any questions that you need answered, please feel free to get in touch with us.